All right, now here in practice action number 2 for my 8 steps to jazz piano improvisation, we're going to focus on spelling the note names of the chords, right? So that means you're going to say the name of the note out loud. So if I asked you for a C major triad, you would say C, E, and G, right? You don't have to play it, but you could play it if you want, right? But C, E, and G. You want to be able to say the note names because that means that you know it, right? It's not just by feel, but you actually have it up here. And you want to try and say it as quickly as possible. All right, so we're going to do this as kind of like a fun little quiz. I'm going to flash up a chord on the screen, and I'm going to say the chord, and then I want you to say what the names of the notes are. You're going to have a few seconds before the answer comes up. So let's start with A minor 7th. What are the notes of an A minor 7th chord? That would be A, C, E, and G. Next chord, D7, D dominant 7th. What are those notes? It would be D, F sharp, A, and C. Next chord, G major 7th. What are the notes of a G major 7th chord? They are G, B, D, and F sharp. Next chord, C major 7th. What are the notes? They would be C, E, G, and B. Next chord, F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Some people say F sharp half diminished. Okay, the Berkeley method is F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Those notes are F sharp, A, C, and E. Next chord, B7, B dominant 7th. The notes of the chord are B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. That should say D sharp, right? So B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. And finally, the last chord, E minor 7th. What are the notes of an E minor 7th chord? They are E, G, B, and D. All right, great job working through those chords. Remember, this is great work to do away from the piano, so don't think that you have to be at the piano to be practicing spelling out the names of your chords. All right, I'll see you in the next practice action.